Students, so today we are going to start the fourth practice set of the probability, that is practice set 5.4. So we have completed the practice set 5.3 in the last lecture, and today we will see how to check and how to find the probability. So here the question it is given that if two coins are tossed, find the probability of getting at least one head, second getting no heads. So there are two events are given and here one word you can see there is a probability. अब तक हमने जो क्वेश्चन किए उसमें हमने probability find out नहीं किए थे. We have just find out the sample point, sample space, events, number of events. Only this much we have find out, completed. So here we have to check the probability. So before going to probability, first we need to check what is the formula of the probability. So formula of the probability is nothing but if you want to find the probability of any event, suppose A event, okay, so you have to know the number of events of that point and divide with number of sample space, that is n of A upon n of S. If you want to find the probability of A event, then we have to take n of A upon n of S. The probability of B लेना है तो लिखना है n of B upon n of S. तो हर एक का probability का formula क्या होगा, number of event divided by its sample space. Number of events divided by its number of sample point. Similarly, we can find the probability of C. We can find the probability of another events. Okay. So here the solution is same. First we need to find the sample space. Here two coins are tossed. So for two coins we have to find the sample space. After finding the sample space, then we have to take the events for the A, then event for the B, event for the B, and we have to find the probability of that event. Okay. Now see how to solve the example here. So first of all we have to write the sample space. So we'll write here if two coins are tossed, therefore what will be the sample space? Sample space would be, okay, H T T H then T T. This will be the sample space. So n of S will be कितना आएगा 4. 1 2 3 4. If two coins are tossed, then there will be a this sample point. Okay. So this is the sample space. Now we'll have to write the events. So we'll write for the first event getting. Ab here we'll write event A. Event A. So what is the given here? Getting at least one head. If I am getting at least one head, तो A का event में क्या आएगा वैल्यू? Getting at least. अब मैंने तुमको लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में बताया था at least means more. At least one मतलब one and more than one. Okay. So one head चाहिए और more than one head चाहिए. So what will be the sample point? So HH, HT and TH. Because HH in this you can see there are two heads. Then HT one head one tail. Then TH one tail one head. Okay. So this will be the possibilities. At least one head means one head and more than one head. So what will be the number of sample point for this? 3. So this completes the number of sample point. Now we have to find the probability for A. अभी probability निकालने के लिए अब हमें formula use करेंगे. Now probability of A is equal to, answer is nothing but number of A, n of A upon n of S. Number of event divided by number of sample point. So what is the number of event? 3. What is the sample space? Number of sample point 4. So therefore P of A will be 3 upon 4. This is the answer. Understood how we have calculated probability of A, n of A upon n of S. N of A is 3, n of S is 4. Therefore the probability of A is 3 upon 4. Okay. Now we'll come to the second event. Now for the second event, what is the second event is given here? Second event is given is getting no head. So we'll write event B. What is the question? Getting no head. If it is getting no head means ऐसे पॉइंट ढूंढना है जिसके अंदर हेड है ही नहीं. तो ऐसा कौन सा हो सकता है? ऐसे सैंपल स्पेस में ढूंढना है those point which does not contain head. So getting no heads. So here TT is there. means tail and tail. So there is no head here. So in this sample space only will get the value of TT. Okay. So here it is written getting no head. So we have to take TT. If it is written getting no tail, then we have to take value HH. Understood? So we'll write here therefore B is equal to T and T. तो T और T कितना हो गया, एक ही पॉइंट मिल रहा. So N of B is equal to 1. N of B 1 आ गया. अब हमको प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है. So what is the formula for the probability? The formula of probability is N of B upon N of S. P of B equal to N of B upon N of S. What is the value of N of B is 1. What is the value of N of S? 4. So 1 upon 4. So this is the answer for probability of event B. That is 1 upon 4. So we have completed for the second event. So there is only difference in the probability. This much every day already same in the last exercise. For the last exercise we have done same thing. Okay. So this step will be similar as the previous exercise, previous practice set. Only this formula is editing changes. Okay. So for this practice set we have to find the probability. If you want to find the probability of A, then it will be N of A upon N of S. If you want to find the probability of B, then we have to write P of B equal to N of B upon N of S. Okay. Likewise we can solve this example. Now we'll proceed with the second question. Now here a 2-digit number is formed with digit 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. So here the numbers are given 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So we have to make 2-digit number using this number. Okay. Without repetition. And after that find what is the probability of an odd number come out and multiple of 5. So there are 2 events are given. For first event we have to check an odd number, and for the second event we have to check the multiple of 5. Okay. So we have to write the values for the multiple of 5, and for the first we have to write an odd number. So first of all we'll make an 2-digit number. अभी हम हमारे पास है 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now how will we make 2-digit number? So first of all we have to take for 2 के साथ लेगा 2, 3, 23, then 2 with 5, 25, then 2 with 7, 27, then 2 with 9, 29. Okay. फिर 3 के साथ लेने का 3 से 2 लेंगे 32, then 35, 37, 39, 52, 53, 57, 59, 72, 73, 75, 79, 92, 93, 95, 97. ओके. तो मतलब विदाउट रिपीटिंग मतलब 22, 33, 55, 77, 99 नहीं लेना है. ओके. वी हैव टू टेक ओनली okay 2-digit number 2, 3, 23, 2, 5, 25, 2, 7, 29, 2, 9, 29. So likewise. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this will be a sample space. Understood? So there will be a sample space. Okay. So this is the next question from the practice set 5.4. So it is written that a 2-digit number is formed with digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. What is the probability of that an odd number come out, a multiple of 5? So here first of all we have to make a sample space. There is no sample space here given. Okay, it is only given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, using 5 digits we have to make 2 digits number without repeating. Means we don't need to take 22, 33, 55, 77 and 99. So here I have written 5 digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So how to make 2-digit number? So first of all we have to take with 2, 3, 23, 2 with 5, 25, 2 with 7, 27, 2 with 9, 29. Likewise 3 के साथ लेना 3 with 2, 32, 3 with 5, 35, 3 with 7, 37, 3 with 9, 39. Okay. Similarly for with we have written for 5, for 7, for 9. So this makes the sample space. Okay. So this makes the sample space. How it is made? First we have taken for 2 को हर एक के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके लेना है, then 3 को हर एक के साथ लेना है, then 5 को, 7 को, 9 को. So there will be a sample space of 23, 25, 27, 29, 32, 35, 37, 39, 52, 53, 57, 59, 72, 73, 75, 79, 92, 93, 95, 97. So here you can see and you can observe that there is no repetition number here. Okay, because in the question it is already states that without repetition. Okay, so this is the sample space. I have written the number of sample point is 20. Okay, so solution is start from here. Okay, after that first it is given that an odd number comes, मतलब हमें odd numbers के लिए क्या निकालना है, sample point. ठीक है, तो अभी इधर हम लोग लिखेंगे event A. First we'll write event A, an odd number come out. ठीक है, एन ऑड नंबर कम आउट. तो ऑड नंबर में अभी हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे, ऑड नंबर के लिए हम लोग का आएगा पॉइंट, तो इसमें से ऑड नंबर ढूंढना. तो 23 ऑड नंबर है. ऑड नंबर किसको बोलते हैं, ऐसे नंबर जो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होते. सो देयर इज अ 23 इज ऑड नंबर, 25 इज ऑड नंबर, 27 इज ऑड नंबर, 29 इज ऑड नंबर, बट 32 इज नॉट ऑड नंबर बिकॉज इट इज यूनिट प्लेस इट्स 2. 35 is odd number, 37 is odd number, 39 is odd number, 52 is not an odd number because the unit place is 2. 53 is odd number, 57 is odd number, 59 is odd number, but 72 is not an odd number. 73 is odd, 75 is odd, 79 is odd, 92 is not odd, 93 is odd, 95 is odd, 97 is odd. तो जो भी डिजिट के अंदर यूनिट प्लेस 3, 5 और 7 आए, those number is called odd number. जिसका यूनिट प्लेस मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 रहेगा, like 2, 4, 7, so there that is not a odd number, there will be a even number. ठीक है, so we'll write here 23, 25, 27, 32, 32 27, then 29, then 35, okay, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, to that 73, 75, 79, 93, 95, 97. So these are the odd number. So how many points are there? Count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many sample point? There will be a 16. So number of A is 16. Now we'll find the probability. Therefore the probability of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. So n of A कितना है 16 और n of S कितना है 20. Divide it, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. What will be the answer? 4 upon 5. So we have got the probability, that is 4 upon 5. This is the answer. So we have got the probability for the first event, that is first event an odd number come out. Okay, now we'll check for second event, that is multiple of 2. So here we have completed for the first event, that is A event. So here we have written all odd numbers, then we have got the values n of A is 16. Then for finding probability there is a formula, that is n of A upon n of S. So n of A is 16 given, n of S is 5, then if you divide it with 5 you will get 4 upon 5. This is the answer. Now we'll solve for the event B. अभी event B में क्या दिया है, you can see there is a multiple of 5. अभी हम event B में कैसे लिखेंगे, देखो इधर. Now we'll solve for event B here. So we'll write here first of all event B. To get multiple of 5, मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 लेना है तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 में कौन कौन से नंबर आ सकते हैं, तो मतलब यूनिट प्लेस में 5 दिखना चाहिए, 5 ना तो 0. तो अभी मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 का मतलब होता है दोज नंबर विच कैन डिवाइड विथ 5 एंड मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 5. तो हमारे पास ये कौन कौन से नंबर पिकअप कर सकते हैं, देखो मैं, वी कैन पिकअप 25, वी कैन पिकअप 35, वी कैन पिकअप not 57, not 72, 75, we can pick up 95. So all number which end with 5, those number which end with 5, जिसका भी यूनिट प्लेस में 5 है, that is a multiple of 5. सबके यूनिट प्लेस में 5 5 दिख रहा, so that is a multiple of 5. So we'll write here for B, answer will be 25, 35, 75, 95. And anything else? Nothing. So how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will be n of b 4. If n of b is 4, then now we have to find probability. So we'll find the probability. Therefore p of b is equal to n of b upon n of s. What is the n of b is 4. What is n of s is here? 20. Divide it, 4 1 are 4, 4 5 are 20. So what will be the answer? 1 upon 5. Therefore the probability of B event is 1 upon 5. So this is the answer. Understood? So with this we have complete this example. In the first event it is given that an odd number will come out. In the second event it is given that the multiple of 5. So first of all we have to make the sample space. Okay. So using 5-digit number we have made 2 digits number without repetition. So there is a 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9 numbers are there. So we have made 2-digit number like 23, 25, 27, 29. So then 32, 35, 37, 39. Like this we have got 20 values. So there will be a sample point 20. After return the sampling point, we have check the odd number and we have calculated the odd numbers and their events. After that we have taken the multiple of 5 and their events. Understood? So with this we have complete the first today's lecture, and I hope you understood this example. In the next lecture we will proceed with the another example. Thank you so much.